Wärtsilä is a leading global provider of ship power, energy and propulsion solutions for all types of seafaring vessels and all types of offshore applications. Moreover, Wärtsilä is a major supplier of decentralized power plant solutions based on reciprocating engines and biofuel combustion, which are equally well suited for energy production in urban and industrial areas and in the remotest of locations. Wärtsilä, with its presence in more than 70 countries and 150 locations, has a global service network to provide customers with a full range of services, such as maintenance, training, technical and operational support, upgrades, and reconditioning solutions to extend through the entire life cycle of their installations. The Netherlands is a highly industrialized country, a hotspot of global trade and commerce, and one of the most important maritime nations in Europe, dating back for centuries. To cater for the needs of the local and international markets for ship power, decentralized energy solutions and services, Wärtsilä has built up a comprehensive network of knowledge centers, sales offices, production plants, and specialized service workshops in the Netherlands with over 1,500 employees. A leading supplier of power solutions, propulsion systems, and a full range of support services, Wärtsilä is a valued partner to shipyards, ship owners, and operators. In Rotterdam, we meet Ben Frey.
Well, Smith International is a stock-listed global company. We are working all over the world in more than 40 countries. And we are active in harbour towage, in terminal support services, in salvage and in transport and heavy lift. Well, in all those operations we operate about 450 vessels, and out of that I would say that about 350 are self-propelled. Well, Wärtsilä, we're working a long time already with Wärtsilä together, from the days that it was still Stork Werkspoor. And after that we worked together when it became Wärtsilä. And in fact we standardized on two types of engines, two types of propulsion units, two types of designs. And Wärtsilä is for the engines one of the suppliers.
The Wärtsilä plant in Drunen is a global knowledge center for design, production and service of Wärtsilä propulsion systems, offering a full range of fixed and controllable pitch propellers and propeller systems for ships of all kinds and size. Propeller shafts, stern tube bearings, sealing systems, mooring thrusters, rudders, steerable thrusters and water jet systems are delivered to shipyards and ship owners all over the world. The propellers are cast on site, using precision-carved molds for each individual propeller. The propellers are finalized by hand grinding to give them the exact measurements and the designed properties for an impeccable service life. Repair and reconditioning of damaged propellers is yet another speciality of the Drunen works. In the head office of Royal Wagenburg Company in Delfzijl, we have an appointment with Egbert Voorsteen, Managing Director.
In 1888, my great-grandfather, Egbert Wagenburg, started with a 80 tons Tjalk. That's a sailing schooner which went with peat moss from the northern part of the Netherlands, Groningen, to Finland. And after discharge, timber was loaded for Germany and Holland. Today, Wagenburg is employing a fleet of 160 vessels. More than 2/3 of the total Wagenburg fleet is powered by Wärtsilä engines, and almost 100% of the Wagenburg fleet is equipped with Wärtsilä propellers. Regarding the future, Wagenburg is having a large order book with different new building yards, not only in the Netherlands but also in China. For all these different types of vessels which we have ordered, Wagenburg has chosen Wärtsilä products to install.
The plant in Zwolle is a center for sales and supply of Wärtsilä power plant solutions for decentralized power generation, as well as a complete range of solutions for ship power, propulsion and maneuvering for all types of sea-going vessels and offshore applications. The plant is a knowledge and support center for the installed base of machinery, and it has the capacity to repair, manufacture and supply all necessary spare parts, peripherals and accessories for Wärtsilä engines, and to recondition and even completely rebuild every kind and size of four-stroke engine, regardless of whether they are made by Wärtsilä or any other manufacturer. The logistics center in Zwolle has an automated warehouse to store, retrieve and dispatch original spare parts for Wärtsilä engines wherever needed. In Krauningen, Wärtsilä operates a workshop specializing in the reconditioning of components such as piston crowns, cylinder heads and exhaust valves of all makes and types of two-stroke engines. Each part is carefully inspected for damage and wear, machined for repair welding and again machined into original measurements. And after a final inspection, the parts are returned to their owners, duly certified and with a full factory guarantee. The largest of Wärtsilä's network of marine service centers in the Netherlands is located in Schiedam, next door to the port of Rotterdam. Manned by professional craftsmen and equipped with necessary tools and machinery, the Schiedam Center is capable of providing a full range of services, from engine overhauls and alignments to machining and reconditioning of components, from delivering spare parts or testing of major components like fuel pumps to full-scale automation services and complete service agreements. And the service network is highly appreciated by Wärtsilä customers.
I think that for us as a global company it's very important to have global support, and reliability is important because we have to serve the big vessels coming into the port, so we have no time to wait for services.
The Wärtsilä network in the Netherlands is an integral part of the worldwide Wärtsilä organization. We are doers who power ships on the 7 seas. We help to generate power and energy wherever needed. And we are committed to protecting the investments of our customers. We are the engine of industry.